Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about Eriko question number 415. As strings. Q1 two non-negative integers num1 and num2 represented as string. Return sum of num1 and num2 as a string. You must solve the problem without using any inbuilt library for handling large integers such as big int. You must also not convert the inputs to integer directly. Okay, so they are asking us to find the sum of two numbers that are given in a string representation, and we don't want to use the inbuilt libraries. Fine. Let's see the example. See here, this is the first example. In first example, they have given 1 1 and 1 2 3. 1 1 and 1 2 3. If we add this both, it will be 4 3 and 1. So it will be 1 3 4. Fine. Now take the second example. 4 5 6, and here it is 7 7. So if we add these two, we will get like it is 3 1, again 3 and 1 and 5. Okay, and at last it is 0 0, so it will be output will be 0. And see here, this is in a string format, not an integer. Okay, okay. The first method is that the in question they said that we don't want to convert into a integer, right? But in first method we will convert in the integer. Okay, we will convert the string to integer. Okay, then the second step is we want to add both integers, and the third step is that we will just convert the result into a string again, and we will return this. So this is the basic approach. Okay, so this is the basic approach. Okay, then how can we do a further approaches? How can we just solve this by without just converting this into an integer? Okay, if you already seen, I told you that these are all the problems that are related to this problem. Okay, these are like they will give a array and integer, we want to add it. They will give a array and we want to add one, and they will give a linked list we want to add. Like that, these all are of same thing. Okay, so based on this, we will do the same approach here. Okay, fine. Let me say the second approach, which is a uh, is a must approach or the optimal approach we have to do whenever they ask the question like this. Fine. Now come here. First of all, it is like num1 and num2 are given string, right? Okay, let me write it 1 1 and 1 2 3. Okay. Now, if we add these both, okay, if we add this both, what we will do? We will add this 2 and we will put 4. We will add this 2 and put this 3. And we will add here, we will imagine this is 0, right? And we will add this and put 1. Okay. If I go to the higher numbers like 1, 2, 9, 8, and here it will be 2, 2, maybe. Okay. Now, what is my answer? My answer will be something like here it comes 0, here 1, and here it comes like something 12, and here 1, 3, and 1. Can you observe this? This is very different from this, right? Okay. Now, we are going to see about how to solve this kind of numbers. Okay. Let me take an example. 1, 2, 9, 8, and same 22. Okay. Now, at first step, we want to take this is a string and this is a string. Okay. At first step, I will take the last element and the last element, and I will add them. If I add these two elements, what is my sum? Sum is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Okay. Can I put 10 directly at this in this? No. No, because in each and every digit, we only have only one digit. Here we have two digits. So the basic idea is that we will divide this 10 by 10 to find what? Carry. To find carry. Take for example, if the sum is 12, what's the carry? It is 1. If the sum is something like 19, what's the carry? It is also 1, right? Okay. Now, how to find the answer that should be put here? Okay. What is the answer here? I can say that it will be something like 10 mod 10 is equal to 0. So 0 is the thing I want to put here. Can I understand this? Yes. Now, carry is 1. Now, carry plus this number and this number. What's the answer? It is 12. Okay. 12. 12 divided by 10 is equal to 1. So I will put a carry. Now, 12 mod 10 is equal to 2. So I will put a 2 here. Fine. Now, When I'm traversing here, see here, this string is completed here itself. So there's no more characters here. So I will take this as what? 0. Fine. Now 1 plus 2 plus 0, which is equal to 3. So I will put 3 there here directly. Why? Because 3 divided by 10 is equal to 0. So 0 is the carry. And 3 mod 10 is equal to 3. So I will put 3 here. Simple. Now 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So I will put 1 here. So the answer is 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 0. Now, see here example 99 and 1. What is my output? If I do like this approach, okay, first I will take this and this. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1 and 10 mod 10 is equal to 0. So I will put 0 here and I will put carry here. Okay, now again, here it will be 0. So 1 plus 9, again it is equal to 10. So I will put 0, 1, 0 here. Carry is 1. But unfortunately, we have reached the end of this fourth string. So there will be no traversal after this. But whether we got the answer correct? No. It is 0, 0. But actual answer is what? 100. So in this case, what should we do? We should take like 1, 0, 0. We should add 1 here. Hope you understand this approach. Right? Okay. What is the time constant and space constant for this approach? I can say time constant will be O of n and space constant will be O of 1. Because we are only taking the resultant string, okay? And the time is because we are traversing this both string. So in results, it will be like instead of this n, we can put like max of n comma n. The maximum length of either it is the first string or second string. Okay. Now let us see the code. See here, carry is equal to 0, result is equal to empty string, and I is equal to length of nums1 minus 1, and j is equal to length of num2 minus 1, which means we are going to the last elements. Now, while I is greater than or equal to 0 or j is greater than or equal to 0, which means if either I in this is valid or j in this is valid, we will do the operation. Okay. N1 is equal to num1 of I if I is greater than or equal to 0, else I will put what? 0. Can you understand this? Yes. See here, if there exists in this, okay, if there exists in this means what? If in this is greater than 0 or equal to 0 means I can take that in this. Else I will take this as a 0. That's what I am here. Right? I will put a 0 now. S is equal to ORD of n1 minus ORD of a capital 0, which means I is converting a capital 0 into an integer 0. If you do a capital 0's ASCII value is what? I think capital 0's ASCII value is 40 right? And minus again 48 it will be 0. Okay, like that. I will do here also. If the n1 value is 1, capital 1, then it will become what? 49. So 49 minus 48, it will be 1. Like that. Okay, and I will add the carry. Carry is essentially 0. So there is no problem. Now, answer is equal to S mod n. So I will take the last digit that will be updated later in the result. Now, carry is equal to S divided by 10, which means what? Carry, the next carry, right? Now, result is equal to str of answer plus result. Fine. See here. First we get some answer, we will put it. Then after getting answer, put should be written before it, right? That's why I write it, then I will upload the result. Fine. Now I will do I and j decrement by 1. Now if there is carry after this all step, then what should we do? I should do what? Result is equal to string of carry plus result. Okay, then I will return the result. Fine. Can you understand this? Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Now, see here, instead of doing like this, instead of doing like we are adding the result, right? Instead of doing like this, we can do like result plus is equal to, and here also result plus, which means first it will be result, then it comes the next value, which means this will be computed, then this will be computed and child here, then this will be computed and child at last, like that. So my result will be reversed, right? So I will reverse at last. This also a correct answer. Yes, let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted. Thank you.